Hi friends, this video shows how to transfer files, video files, photos between laptop and TV using USB cable. Let me go to settings, set all settings from top right corner, go to system, go to about, go down, select Android TV OS build. Here we need to press OK button on the remote 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See the message, you are now a developer. Go back. Now under system we can find developer options. Select it. Go down. Here you can see USB debugging. I am going to enable this. Let me enable USB debugging or ADB debugging. Done. After that, let me go to this laptop. Here we need to install one tool, ADB tool. We can download this zip file from internet, then extract it. Here you can see adb.exe. Then from this path we need to open command prompt. I already opened command prompt. See, from here we can run adb commands. Before that we need to connect this laptop to TV using USB cable. See, I already connected this laptop to TV, and here you can click here, then you can check for this USB icon. If you see this USB icon, that means you have successfully connected this your laptop to TV. Okay, so next let me transfer some files. So here I am going to use these commands. The first one, this is for transfer some files from laptop to TV. This is for transfer files from TV to laptop. This is for delete some file from TV. First, let me transfer some files from laptop to TV. Here you can see one image file, then one video file. And here you can see the image file. This is a file I am going to transfer. Then this is a video file I am going to transfer. So before I trigger this transfer, let me go to TV, then open File Manager app. Let me open this Explore File Manager app. Here you can see internal shared storage. When you transfer file, that will come here under this internal shared storage. See, let me minimize this. Then let me first transfer this image of the dog. Copy this. Then go to this command prompt, enter. Done, transferred. Let me refresh here. In TV you can see that image. See. Okay, next I am going to transfer this video file. Okay, done. Let me refresh here, and here you can see that video file. See, done. Next I am going to transfer one image from TV to laptop. So I am going to transfer this same image of the dog. So I am going to paste that image here in this test folder under F directory. Let me go to F directory test. See, here I am going to paste. Let me copy this command. Paste here. Done. Let me verify. Go to F test folder. See. Done. So next I am going to delete one file from TV. This delete command. I am going to delete that image of the dog. See, this one. Copy this. paste here. Done. Let me refresh. See, now it shows only this video file. Okay, so this way we can transfer files between laptop and TV using USB cable. So you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.